seen it on it before. So, when you think GoPro, So, when you think action camera, 2 years ago, I probably would have just said, you mean GoPro. But how is the world stacking up against GoPro? And do we still need this massive field of vision? Or do we need this? Is this what people are using nowadays? Have we gone from using it as an action camera with a massive field of vision to now using it as an everyday camera? The GoPro has always been successful in being used by the BBC and Amazon and Netflix and all the other people that produce their own content. Why? Because it's a good camera, it's a cheap camera, and it's compact, and that really helps. But how does the Hero 6, their newest one, stack up to the competition, say? So GoPro have made several versions of the GoPro camera. We've got the GoPro 1, the GoPro 2, the GoPro 3, So the GoPro, They get it. So GoPro have made cameras for years. We've got the GoPro 1, the GoPro 2, the GoPro 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. And now there's a new one, just called a GoPro. The company profile's changed and it's been simplified. And I think I quite like what they've done. Now all the products are interchangeable and you can swap them around to the grips or the drones. It's all the same shell, it's all the same case. And I like that. They did do that previously, but I'm liking the new way how it's done. You buy the basic GoPro if you just want an action camera. You buy the 5 if you want that a little bit more. And if you want the top that they have to offer at the moment, it's got to be the GoPro 6. Introducing the new Hero 6 that looks like the 5 and looks like the new one, which is just called the Hero. So what I've decided to do is take all of my previous GoPro footage and put it all together. My own little, testament to my experience using the GoPro. Do I think the GoPro is still the best action camera out there? Yeah, I do 100% believe that it's the best action camera out there. The picture it gives you is just so fantastic. The accessories are just easily to come by. It's great because you can just go to a shop almost and get a case that will fit a GoPro or the mount or the clip. And then the proof in the pudding is obviously all these other action cameras have copied the same clip mount, the same kind of accessory setup. There is different ones. They've got the Sony now and the Yi and the what's that one? The Ape Man we did, the Ape Man one. There's loads out there, but I still believe the original is the best. So here's my look back at my experience using the GoPro, and I hope you enjoy. And just a bonus note, this was shot entirely on a GoPro Hero 6. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video.
Jumbo jet. It wasn't easy, but nothing is. No. When I feel heavy metal, and I feel that I need when I lie and I'm easy all of the time, but I'm never sure why I need you. Please I need you. not my problem. It's not my problem. Woo!